3, 2, 1. The pension rules required that the pension cases of the retiring government servants should be initiated 1 year before the date of their retirement, and he referred to the audit office 6 months before the retiring date, and the pension payment order should be issued 1 month before the actual date of retirement. Despite requirement of rules and instructions issued by the government, in this regard, from time to time, the prescribed time schedule is not being observed by certain pension sanctioning authorities, with the result that delay continues to occur in the payment of pension to the retirees. In the meetings conducting by the pension cases disposal committee, it has transpired that much of the delay takes place due to the apathy, indifference on the part of the head of the department, officers who do not take personal interest in the finalization of the cases. In some cases, the pension sanctioning authorities and heads of departments offices not only do not attend the meetings personally, and in case of their inability to attend the meetings due to their official engagements, they even do not depute the officers, well versed with the facts of the cases, but depute clerks and assistants who are unable to explain the cause of delay, bottlenecks in the sanctioning of pension GP fund cases in the meetings. This obviously defeats the very purpose for which these meetings are held, to guide the pension sanction into authorities and to iron out difficulties in the disposal of the cases and give them an opportunity to objectively. Assess the overall working of their subordinate officers. The above pensioned position may kind be brought to the notice of all pension sanctioning authorities and drawing and disbursing officers for settlement of claims for pension and GP fund accordingly in all cases. Moreover, in future the meetings should be attended by the pension sanctioning authorities themselves, or in case of their inability in this regard, by the gathered officers of their officers departments who are well conversant with the facts of the cases. It is further requested that necessary instructions be issued to all the officers under your control to ensure the time schedule prescribed for this purpose is adhered to strictly, and information documents called for by the audit offices for finalization of pension GP fund cases are furnished promptly. Thanks for watching.